Hello. Are you getting ready for bed? And your name is Ginger, isn't it? Are you a good kitty? And do you belong to Ryan Conley? Will you tell me a secret about Ryan? Yes? Does she have a boyfriend? Does she want a boyfriend? No. Does she love her brother? Does she love her mommy? Does she love her daddy? Well, that's good. Does she read at bedtime? Has she read a lot of books? That's very good. Did she do very good on her test this morning in school? Well, that's good. What else can we talk about tonight? How many stuffed animals? Give me a nod for every stuffed animal Ryan has. Does she have 10? Well, let's just do it this way. More than 10? More than 15? Or 15, about 15? Well, you have to answer soon. Okay. Did she call her Mimi and Dad and talk to them on the phone? That's good. How about Grammy? Oh, Grandma and Grandpa? Oh, you haven't talked to them in a while, have you? Is that a sad face? Maybe we should call them tomorrow. Okay. Well, that will be the end of tonight's video with Ginger. Stay tuned and maybe we will talk tomorrow night. Give me a wave goodbye and a kiss good night.